Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to do a recovery drive using your USB flash drive. Okay, let's get started. First things first, you need to plug in your USB flash drive. Okay, then let's proceed. First is you need to search for recovery panel. Recovery drive rather. And then the best match will appear here. Just wait for the run as administrator to appear here. Okay. Run as administrator. Click that and your user account control you to allow. Just simply click on yes. And then here, even if your PC can't restart, you can use our recovery drive to reset it or do or troubleshoot problems. That's the very important thing about doing recovery drive because we never know when our Windows will stop working. So at least we have a backup in our data. Okay? So once it will be reinstalled, we can actually recover our files. Okay, here you need to make sure that under this backup system, I mean aligning this, it is marked check backup system files to the recovery drive and then click on next. So this will take some time, maybe 5 to 10 minutes depending on your computer. So once it's done, just have to simply unplug your drive and you can use your USB flash drive for future purposes. Okay? So that's it. Hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and might as well click the like button as well as the bell one to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day everyone.